In this video, I'll show you how to create a speed zoom blur transition in Adobe Premiere Pro using Zoom Blur. This transition creates a fast zoom blur between your clips, making the scene change feel energetic, intense, and impactful. It works great for action videos, sports edits, fast montages, and dramatic reveals. Let's get started. First, place your two clips on the timeline and make sure they touch at the cut point where you want the transition. Now, go to the FX panel, search for Zoom Blur. Once you find it, drag and drop it between your clips. Now select the transition and open Effect Controls. Here are the most important settings. Zoom amount controls how strong the zoom effect looks. Zoom direction controls the direction of the zoom movement. Vertigo adds perspective distortion, making the transition feel more dynamic. Blur amount controls how intense the blur streaks appear. Exposure controls the brightness during the transition. Use a shorter duration for a quick, intense zoom. Use a longer duration for a smoother, dramatic zoom transition. For best results, sync the zoom impact with a beat drop or strong sound effect. And that's it. That's how you create a speed zoom blur transition in Adobe Premiere Pro. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.